with us in Hyderabad to launch a Telugu version of Don 2. We also have with us the producers Ritesh Sidwani. Unfortunately, Farhan Akhtar could not join us. Can I please have Mr. Chimanlal Suresh Kumar to give a bouquet to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan? Can I have Mr. Blissan Anthony, the regional head of Cinemax, to give a bouquet to Mr. Ritesh Sidwani, please?
Assalamu alaikum, and thank you very much, Hyderabad, once again. You've gathered here in such large numbers and with so much patience. On behalf of the whole team of Don 2, there is Farhan, who's not here, Lara, Priyanka, Boman, Ali, and the rest of the crew who've been traveling actually across other cities. And of course, Ritesh, who's the producer of the film. I just want to tell you that every time I come here, this is, like I always say, the city where my mother was brought up. So it's a very special place for me, and I always feel very thrilled coming here and seeing all the developments. So I thank Cinemax and of course Reliance for helping us out with this film, and we hope that we can bring to you a film which you'll all enjoy and like, and have a good Christmas and a new year with. So thank you, and thanks for the warm welcome again. It's a very different film. It's you prefer to speak in English? It's okay? Yeah, okay. It's a very different film, and perhaps the first time ever that we are making a sequel to a bad man or a villain, so to say. And to be really honest, this is a kind of a character which has no redeeming quality or justification for his actions, and he's just totally bad. He's evil. So what we have tried to do is show you a story from the point of view of a bad person, evil person. And of course, he's meaner, leaner, cooler, more stylish, sexier, faster, smarter than he was in the first film. And that is something, if you can rise above judging the film morally, that, oh, why are we showing a bad guy do so well? If you can go beyond that, which I think the new audience, the younger people, and everyone, all of us, accept films like that now, then you will really enjoy this journey that Don takes you on. It's a more character-driven film. And it's a very smart film, and amazing action, which has been shot in Germany and Malaysia and in India, some of it. And some really different screenplay technique that Farhan has used. So hopefully it will be a new experience. And for people, boys who like bad boys, they will like the film. And girls who like bad boys, they'll also like the film. They know actually I'm not a bad guy. I'm just playing a role. And yes, you're right, this one has no justification, it has no redeeming quality, it is not, I believe that the world and all of us also, we have a little good in us and a little bad in us. How we are brought up, the things we do, most of the time, we curb the bad in us. And, as an actor, sometimes I feel a little restricted, that I'm only to play good guys. My friends, family, everyone tells me, oh, little children like you and girls like you, mothers like you, so you should always play a good guy. So, but once in a way, as an actor, you feel, no, let me just throw caution to the winds and give it a shot. So yeah, Don is quite a bad guy, but I don't know if it's right to say or not, but when you'll see him, you'll kind of like him. I hope nobody wants to be like him. I don't encourage anyone to be him, but I think for good to exist in the world, there has to be an evil side. And Don is all evil, like if you see a film like Silence of the Lambs, or I like to say more childlike, Jungle Book's Kaa, the snake. The devil is very mesmerizing and hypnotizing. So Don is like that, you don't know whether you should like him or hate him because he's so bad, or like him because he's so slick and smart. So I think we'll have to wait and watch, but I think people will like it.
I think Telugu and Tamil, I think the markets for Hindi movies are growing, and if you have a film like Don, which I remember when we released Don 1, a lot of people at that point were also asking us why didn't we dub the film, and we had an offer to remake the film in Tamil and Telugu. So this time when we decided, and I think Shah Rukh did it for Arevan, there were some other films also which have done that. So I think it's the kind of film which I think will be accepted even in these regional languages. And also 3D, I think the market for 3D in this country has grown with technology where it is. And people, the audience want to see their big stars up close. in the 3D format. The market is growing, so I thought, I mean, it would be interesting to do Dawn in 3D.
Very few people know that I think the first 4 or 5 years of my life I've spent in Hyderabad. I was adopted by my grandmother because they didn't have I think a boy in their family at that time. So when I was born to my mother, they adopted me, and they used to live in Hyderabad in Toli Choki. So I spent about yeah, so at 4 years of my life I was here. Then they shifted to Bangalore and the Mangalore port, so I was shifted there. And then my mother missed me, so she got me back to Delhi and took me back from her mother. So I have spent, so my mother's house is here, and my whole mother's side of the family stays here. And I don't get time to visit them because either I come for a film or a function or the cricket matches. So I just come in and I rush out, but I think when my kids grow up a little more, I'd like to bring them here and introduce them to the whole family and to, and it's been a long time since I've seen Charminar. You know, I remember when I was younger, we always used to go to the Charminar because there was but now Hyderabad has so many more other beautiful places to look at. And every time I come now, the airport is so far off, it looks like you're going to another city. So it's changed so much. But I think I have this little Hyderabadi in me. And you know what do you say? Khatti dal and biryani.
Halim.
And yeah, Halim and also my mother used to cook it. So I have very fond memories. And even my summer holidays used to be spent in Hyderabad till my parents were alive. So I have very fond memories of Hyderabad and I feel very attached. And as soon as I land here, I do call my family and say, you know, I've come to the city of my mom. And people here have been very kind to me every time I've come. So it's very special to be here. मेन इसके अंदर हमने एक्चुअली कुछ नई टेक्निक थी जो जर्मन फाइट मास्टर्स डायरेक्टर्स हैं वुल्फगांग, उन्होंने हमको सिखाई है क्लोज्ड अनआर्म्ड कॉम्बैट. तो बहुत तेज एक्शन है फिल्म का और थोड़ा खतरनाक भी है क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम कैमरा की स्पीड से भी थोड़ी चीट कर लेते हैं. तो इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इसको रियल स्पीड में शूट किया है. तो बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ी उसके लिए और लगती भी थी क्योंकि सबके हाथ ऐसा बहुत तेज तेज मारना पड़ता था. सो इट्स वेरी फास्ट एक्शन. इसमें कार चेस है जो मुझे लगता है बहुत खूबसूरत है एंड जो बर्लिन में की है. और जो बिगनिंग हमने मलेशिया के अंदर शूट किया है वो भी बहुत अलग और जुदा है. इट्स मोर ग्रिटी, वेरी स्टाइलिशली रियलिस्टिक. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू नो एक आदमी जो है 10 को मार रहा है फिर से उड़ रहे हैं, फिर वो भी अच्छा होता है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन इसमें बहुत जल्दी से क्विक एंड ब्रिस्क एक्शन है. और क्योंकि मैं ऐसा तगड़ा नहीं हूँ ज़्यादा, तो वी केप्ट इट वेरी लीथल कि ही मूव्स वेरी फास्ट काइंड ऑफ एन एक्शन.